Thank you for watching. One people can't sleep. Oh my god. I'll always remember. So late afternoon. Last forever. Aray. The late onto sun. Always change. And places no one will find. All your feelings so deep inside. A moment beside you cry. I think I saw you cry. Hi, Benny. Thank you for joining. Thanks a lot. Oh, thank you for watching. 17 people. Hello. Uh, can I give you a like? Thank you. Thank you for the like. My God. Thank you so much for the likes. This channel. Can I give you super chat? You can wear crop top. Super chat first. Super chat $100. I wear crop top. Hello, beautiful. How are you? Hello, Iping Altanto. Hi, from Indonesia. Benny, don't do it because Cash is lying. Cash is lying. Huh? Cash? What thing? Hi, Calvin. He did that one more time under my watch in the different room. He did it one more time. Hmm. 23 people. Thank you so much. Golden Blade. Hi, Golden Blade. He asked another grocery dress up and then he didn't do the super chat. Ah, okay. He just left the room. Okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Golden Blade. Hello, sweetie. How are you doing today? I'm doing live. Can't sleep. New soul bear. Thank you for submit my blood. Block him now. Who? Wait, who? Ah, cash. The cash. Thank you, Benny. I'm not wearing. I, I'm not wearing the no, Benny. I'm wearing the crop top. He is a liar. Ah, yeah. Thank you, Benny. And the cash. Simon. Hi, Simon Sim. Billy Bar. Hi, Ali. Hello, Gorgeous. Simon Sam. Kingston. Artie. Hi, Artie. Nicholas Kristen Fernandez. You need a husband. Stevens. Hi, Sir Steven. Good evening, Cheryl. Too bad you can't sleep. Yeah. I was moderating in bedroom when he asked here to change. She did, and he never gave a super chat. Thank you, Benny. Charlie from USA. Hi, Charlie. Thank you so much for the likes. Thanks, likes. Winter is coming. Wow, winter is coming. Marlon Lapetan, gising pa yun. Di makatulog, can't sleep. I'm married if you want. Oh my god. How you married with someone with strangers? Oh my god. Really weird people. How is your father? Been feeling lately is feeling better. God bless him. Always pray for his recovery. Thank you, Sir Stephen. I think he's feeling better now. My father is feeling better now. Hopefully, fast recovery. Mm. How is your father? Yes, thank you, Sir Stephen. I know family is very important to you, Cheryl. Yeah, so much important. Very important for me and my family. Most my parents, and my son. My siblings. What it means, Supinan. I don't understand. Maybe you can translate it in English or Tagalog. I I don't understand what it means. What it means from Indonesia. Indonesian. Love your Zumba performance. Thank you, Golden Blade. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, 15 people likes. Hit the like. Polo shirt. What it means, polo? I don't understand. Please, can you translate in English? Oh my god. Twenty-seven people. Thank you for to the light, to the color of the morning sun. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. From Philippines. Mm, totally. I don't understand. Blood tardy. Email address, please. Why? Welcome, Charco. Always wanted to visit. Thank you for the 19 likes. Why are you ignoring me? It's so easy. Huh? It's so easy. What? Why you say that? Do you have Instagram? Why? Mostra, Mostre, bye Linda. what it means. Thank you for joining. 27 people. Mm, mm, mm. Hey, you're not sleeping. I can't sleep. You can't sleep. So, what's so? Cute. Si Mando back some more. Back some more. Oh, I don't know why. Why can't sleep? Oh my god, okay. Thank you for the 20 minutes. I don't know. I don't know why. Hi, Tungsten. Hello from USA. Tungsten. Hi, Tungsten. Enrique. I always remember. Aku suka kamu, aku serose. Huh? But what do you mean about vacation letter? How are you feeling? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. What? No, no, That's not. About the conversation earlier. That's not. Hellos. Thirty-three people. Thank you so much. 24 likes. Hello. To the right, to the right, to the right. Francisco Riasos. Hi. Oh my god. Hindi talaga may iwasan yung mga bastos. Thank you, 36 people in the house. 40 people. So much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't understand what it's saying. yun. Oh my God. Only you beautiful now. How are you doing? Francesco, my God. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beautiful smile. Thank you, sir. Hi, Kenneth. Hello there. Sir Kenneth. What? I don't understand what you're saying. What the language? Oh my God. I don't understand. Oh my God. Here's the way. Holla. Yes, ma'am. Tagasan ka man. Bicol po. Ano ba yun? Ang daming bastos. My God. My God. Oh my God. Ba't ang daming bastos na itong oras? May gulay. Sa, ang sakit sa bangs. So it's very nice to see you this morning. I hope you are happy and healthy at your night though. Thank you again. Thank you, Sir Gamet. 27 people. Oh my God. 28. My boyfriend ka na pa. Bakit naman? It's not, it's late for you. Late here. What time here? 11:22. Midnight. Almost midnight. 9 a.m. here. Oh, where are you? Where are you now, sir? Tungsten. Where do you live? Where are you from? Joseph Papian. Um, I am currently stationed in the Missouri military. Send me a lot of places. Ah, okay. I wanna marry you and oh my God. My gulay. You wanna marry me? Grabe naman. Babae yung pangalan tapos lalande. Ano yun? Looking to retire when I love the Philippines when I was 3 years ago. Oh, wow. Thank you, sir. Actually, I have an uncle who lives in the Philippines near a city north of Manila. That's great. You then, thank you for the 30 likes. My God, thank you so much. Barkson. Barkson. Bergson. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Good to see them. Everybody needs to double tap that you can get more likes. Thank you, sir. Hello, I'm from South Korea. Hi, from South Korea. Thank you for joining. Huh? 61 people in the house. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thanks so much. 54 million here. To the light, to the color, to the color. What's the name of the dog that's barking? What's the breed? I don't know. I don't know what's the name. That's not. The dog is outside. I don't know what the name of the dog outside. Thank you for the 31 people here. Give the likes. Mute. Mute? Matlul. Mat? Oh my god. You're very beautiful and have a nice smile. Thank you po. Jubon Golden. Pauline. How late do you plan on staying up? I don't know. Maybe I don't know why. I don't know why. Sometimes late. Sometimes too early to sleep. I don't know what happened. So sometimes maybe sign of aging different. 74 people in the house. Oh my god. Thank you guys. Thank you for that. 70 likes. Thank you so much. Likes. Thank you for the likes. Too much. Too much. Love me like it too love. So much. 58 people in the house. Are you homeless? Maybe I look like a homeless. If I am homeless, what help do you give to me? What help you? I'm homeless. Hola amiga, ¿cómo estás? Saludos de Jalisco. All these people come to see you and talk to you. Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth. Hello. The pillow. Have a pillow. Oh. What country you belong? Philippines. I live in the Philippines. Philippines. Bicol province, Philippines. Jerome, do not hate me. Babe. 32 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Yes, I am. Sniper. Sarah Jerome Benavides. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for hit the likes. Gigi and you. Hi. How are you doing? Next Jane. How old are you? I'm from 40 years old. 40. Mm. Also, give me a second and I can tell you what city my uncle lives in. Okay. Take your time, Sir Tungsten. 40. I'm 40 years old. Have you done Zumba lately? I'm doing Zumba every Sunday morning. Sunday morning, I do Zumba. Para tanggal. You look all nice. Thank you, Jerome. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. I want to see your. If I sound that, you need to super chat first. Sorry. Oh my god, but you are looking like 20 years old. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. God bless you there. Thank you, next gen, Mr. Hot. Carlson, some of them. Coat. I don't understand I don't understand the Arabic. I am from New York. Hi, Carlos Ban from New York. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for joining. Nice to meet you, sir. Have you ever been to the Gupan? No, never been there in the Gupan. I'm living in Bicol province, Sir Tungsten. Never been in there in Tagupan. You can really tell that you look great shape. Your arms, my arms, your upper arms look like you work out with weights a little bit, with a little bit. I'm a hard worker, maybe. How are you doing today? So many things to do. Laundry day, walking day, walk a lot today, working day. I'm looking for a gift. Really? Oh, thank you. Hope you send a chat, send super chat, sir. Carlos. And hi to Pakistan. I love. Thank you, Omar. Kumar. Are you very shy? No, I'm not. I'm not very shy. I don't understand Arabic. Sorry. Hello, Musayanar. Dagupan is where my uncle lives. Ah, okay. Where's your uncle lives? You can give me one. Okay. Uh, what? What do you say? Sir Carlos? Can you speak English? I don't understand Arabic. You're very pretty. Oh, thank you so much. Are they? How about that? I'm asking you for a gift. I'm sorry, I'm poor. I'm not, I don't have enough. Oh my god. Why are you asking me for a gift? No. Oh my god, you joining here for a gift? RIP English, Carlos. Halatang hindi siya yun. Next gen. Yeah. RIP English, Carlos. Oh my god. What I'm looking for in a location is close to a city, but I love living in the province. We call country life. Ah, okay. Country life. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much, guys. 49 people here. 59. You get Bobby smile. Ah, oh my God, Carlos. Who are you? Do you have a man? Guillermo Philippine. What? Guillermo. To the light, to the color, to the color of the one such. It can be too much. Oh, thank you for the likes. My God. 42 likes. 53 people here. I wish. Oh, oh, oh my God. Can you give me a smile? Next gem. Hi, Pablo. Philippines people are very health conscious. Yep. Very healthy. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great day, Sir Carlos. To those someone who's sending the hugs, thank you so much. The hugs, the heart. To those someone sending the hearts, thank you so much. Thanks for the smile. Welcome. 54 people. 52. What is the secret of your beauty? The secrets of my beauty. Uh, I don't know. I have no secret. Just I live what I just live what I know. Just like I'm not. I'm always I love. I'm not eating a lot of meat. I eat vegetable, fruits. Yeah, fresh seafoods. Mm. Healthy exercise. I walk a lot. Do Zumba. Have a good day today, Cheryl. I'll check later. Thank you, Sir Artie. Thank you, Sir Artie. Hi, John. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my God po. My God. I felt sad today. Tonight. Kuya John. Thank you, Cheryl, for the light. Why? Sir John. You live again. Oh my God. Can't sleep. I can't. I get the chance to interact with you. Therefore, me neither. Oh, really? Thank you to the someone who's sending the hearts. Thank you so much. Sa tumatawa. For you to like. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much, the heart. Thank you for someone sending heart. No cold coffee again. Yeah, the coffee is already cold, but yang ng kape. Coffee. Mhm. Thank you, 55 people in the house. Thanks a lot. David. Hi, David Parker. Sir David, hello. Juan Pablo Alexander Salazar. Hola. Ponta Prang. Henry Stephen. Hi, Sir Henry Stephen. Thank you for the coffee is cold but does live and thank you for thank you so much. You. Thank you so much for 39 people in the house. 46. David Moore. Hi, Sir David Moore. Wait lang po. Sir Golden Blade. Golden Blade. Yes, Cheryl. It's always warm. That's good. Who wish to someday join our workout live? Ah, yeah, Sir Golden. Golden Blade. It's 49, 49, 46 people. Sure, it's always one. Buenas tardes. Hermosos saludos. Mi hermosos saludos. Thank you so much for what. Pedro Salva, hi. Hello. Thank you for watching. Frances Sila. Frances Silali. Frances Silali. 38 people here. 44 likes. Thank you so much. Eres una mujer muy hermosa, mi amor. Mi amor. Oh, thank you so much for the likes, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bella, Bella, Bears, mi amor. Lucas. Timando on abrazo fuerte y un beso grande, mi amor. 55, 50 people timando on abrazo. 46 likes, thank you so much. Bellymore. Hi, Bellymore. Yeah. Bellymore. Yeah. Hala, Sikik Bar, Muhammad Ahmar Amagar, Anagar. I'm so tired, oh my god. Unity sleep, Sir John. Sleep well. Unity rest, Sir John. Thank you for joining. Hi, Ate. Hi, Fun Boba. Fun Boba. Fun Boba. Boba. 47 people hit the likes. Oh my god. Thank you for the likes, guys. Oh, what are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm sitting on the chair. Then I'm talking to you here. Chimakis, hello. Hi. Hi, Chimakis. Madam. Hi. 52 people. Thank you so much. Mhm. Okay, Bella Mari. Thanks. You remember me from yesterday. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Mini join here. I'm sorry, Chimakis. But thank you so much for joining. 55 people, 57. Thank you so much for joining. Oh my god, 49 likes. Thank you for 49 likes. 51 people here. Thanks a lot. Oh my god, 61 people in the house. Yes, yes. You are always looking. Thank you. I will remember you. How on earth anyone can forget such graceful lady? Thank you, sir. Thank you, Golden Blade. 50 likes. Thank you so much for the 50 likes. Can you sing? I'm not good singer, sorry. Dana Santos. Hi, Dana Santos. 65 people here. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Rosero. Hi, shout out Rosero. Rix Kalel. Oye, Mar, thanks so much. At least you can try to sing. I'm not good. I'm not in the mood to sing. Sorry. I'm non-single. Thank you so much. 50 people. Hit the likes. So what will you put in the mood? Mia Martin. Hi, Hegs. Hello, show. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. Thank you, Hegs. Please like. Thank you so much for joining here again, Hegs. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Hegs. 53 likes. My god. Thank you for the likes. 45 people. Lima. Hi, Lima. Lima. I wanna marry. Why? Did you anything fun today? Huh? No. Lovalita. Thank you. Hola. Hi, Sergio Sanchez. Hey, Hags from John. Hey, Hags from John. Subscribe to channel. Thank you for subscribing channel, everyone. Hey Jay, Phoenix. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Magno. What is your name? My name is Cheryl. I'm living in the Philippines. Diretso na. Complete. I'm fine. I am fine. Francisco Blanco, hello. 40 people here. Thank you so much. Hello po, ma'am. Hi. Bob, Sir Bob. Hello po. Bob Jobson. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm living in the Philippines. First 6 likes. Thank you so much. House House rate. I love your face. What is your name? My name is Cheryl James Blanc. My name is Cheryl James Blanc. Thank you so much for the likes. Thanks. Francisco Oliveira Uye. Thank you so much for the likes, everyone here. 39 people. I like Philippines people. Thank you. Hello, Miss Beautiful. Hi, Romy Sapa. Sapa. Romy Sapa. Pascaladzorai. Pascaladzorai. I'm 40 years old. 40. My God, I'm getting old. Hi, Antonio. Hi, Antonio. Musta po kayo? Okay naman. Ronald Boris. 5'1". My tall 5'1". My height is 5'1". Pwede pa 40. Pwede pa 40 bata pa yan. Hihirit pa eh. Hihirit pa. Hindi ako available. Ano ba yung mga pinagsasabi nito? Thank you for the likes. Ang dali sasabihin mga ganyan pa. Ako nakakain. Taga saan ka po? Bicol. Bicol Province, Philippines. Yeah. Bicol Province. Have you seen any movies recently? No. I'm so busy. You? Me? Why you? Beautiful pag-shoutout dito sa Kabakan na Cotabato sa 2nd Regiment Company. How? Shoutout sa 2nd Regiment Company, North Cotabato from Romy Sapad. Thank you, Sir Romy. Well, beautiful. Beautiful first talaga. Oh, thank you. Noel. Thank you. Okay. Oh my God, 62 likes. Thank you so much. I wish you get time soon. Get time. Oh, thank you so much. 62 people. Hit the likes. 64 million yan. 64 million. I'm going to try and sleep po. Don't stay up too late. Oh my god. Yes po. Yes po, Sir John. Oh my god po. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you sa pag-shoutout po, Ben. Welcome po, Romy Sapan. Yeah, you are busy, so you can get time from your busy schedule. When I enough, ano, I will, I will enjoy my, my day. You're still here, you need some sleep. And can't sleep, can't sleep. Hey, Cheryl, can we stay up late and watch late movie and eat popcorn? Eat popcorn. May asawa ka na ba? Sawing palad to. Sawing palad sa asawa. Wala. Wala. Wala talaga. Thank you so much, 62. Hit the likes. I made a popcorn last night. Tried not in the microwave. I will make it on the stove. Okay. Thank you, Sir Kenneth. How much for an ounce of gold there? I don't know. I have no any jewelry. No. Oh my god, I have no gold. 70 people. Thank you so much. 70 people in the house. 62 likes. Don't worry. Nandito lang ako. Handa kang mahalin. Oh my kulay. Parang hindi ako naman sa mga ganyan. Sorry na. Tapsi ba kayo ba? Matapsi na. Bet you can make a profit buying gold there and selling it here. Hi Rick. Bet you can make a profit buying gold there and selling it here. Buying gold here, selling it there, but oh my god, I'm not, I'm not like that. No. Robert Cone. Hi, Sir Robert. Hello. Gold worth a lot. Oh, okay. Oh my god, thank you. 62 likes. Thank you for the likes. Double tap. Noel. Ketchy. 63 likes. Thank you so much. Tell Beverly why. Why you like me. Because of what? Be taga dyan ba ang Nick West idol ko? Di ko kilala eh. Si Costa. Hindi ko siya kilala. Sorry. Lorenzo. No mosquitoes there. Having no mosquitoes, but my god, you are calm. Why I'm calm? Alexander. Alexander. 40, 65 likes, my god. Chago Morera. Hi, Chago. Oi. Hey, baby. Why? One Lampard. 40, 67 likes. Oh my god. Pito Mat. Seba. Hihi. 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 Vosifas Velho Chamada. Ray Butter. You are beautiful. Thank you for Ray Butter. 68 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes po. Thank you po. Alright. Thank you so much. What area or island you are? Are you me? I'm Philippines. I live in the Philippines. I lost my best friend due to cancer. Oh, I'm sorry. Hello, beautiful girl. Hi, Risofon. Hi, Risofon. Thiago Moreira. Hola. Thank you for the likes. Thanks. 51 people. Hello. This is Susa. This is Susa. Thank you for the 71 likes. Um, my son. I bet your forehead is very wide. If you tie your hair backside upside, yeah, no, just need to stay like this. My God. Good morning. Hi, Jose. Figure it out. Double tap the phone. Tap theory. Thank you. Hi, Didin. And I thought I would be right here. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forever. Thank you so much. 47 people, 73 likes. I want to tour the Philippines. Okay, welcome to the Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. Ilang taon ka na po? 40 years old. I'm 40 years old. Thanks. Thanks. No worries. Welcome. Vicky. Kak orang mana? From San Diego. Eddie Paulson. Eddie Paulson from San Diego. Hi po. Janish Mendez. Hi. I Topa. Thank you, 74. Thank you so much. Another smile and a little song for life. Hi, Tom Johnson. Raining here in the United States. Oh, well. Raining there. Diversion Jesus. Diversion Jesus. Diversion. Hindi po halata na 40 ka na po. Mukha ka lang 30. Talaga. Ayan. Oh my God. 74 times. Corey, put mo on. Hi. Thank you, thumbs up. Salamat sa thumbs up. My God. Counted. Kumusta? How are you, Corey, put mo on? God. Salter. Tawa ka. Masaya. Aray. Happy. Thank you, Corey, put mo on. Aray ko ba? Naninipa yung... Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my God. Thank you for the likes. Thanks. 49 people in the house. 100 likes, please. 100 likes, but no super chat. My God. Who gave the super chat, please? Sir Kenneth. Hi, nice to meet you. By Johan. Top screen, guys. Yeah. Ilang taon po anak mo po? 9 years old. Ba yan? Bakit may mga pag may pa-banana pa? Banana, anong gagawin mo sa banana? Hey, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Sir James Jacob. Hi po. You seem much more rested, but you feel a little better, right? A little better. Hi, the Barson. Busy follow Portuguese. Busy follow Portuguese. Jose. Hi, Jose. How are you and your family? I'm fine, and my family is also fine. Quesledge. Hi, Quesledge. Quesledge. Gusto mo ito, depose. That's me, beautiful. That's me, beautiful. Kayo lang po dalawa ng anak mo dyan, yes. Kami lang. Pero sa kabilang kwarto yung mga magulang ko. Trigger. Hi, Trigger. Have a beautiful day. Thank you, Trigger. Na-trigger ka na ba? My God. Trigger. Where are you from, Trigger? Oh, you can share. Yeah. Siguro mag-send yung super chat, Trigger. The Trigger. Okay naman. Sir William, I'm fine. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. I'm from Argentina. Okay. Nice to meet you. Ezekiel Gaitan from Argentina. Tinark. Hi, Tinark. 84 likes. Thank you so much. Today I go for oral surgery. Why? Why? Trigger. Why Sir William Warren? What happened? Or Oiganta Marcos Rodriguez. Hey. 86 likes. Thank you so much. You wanna do a auto check? No. They are shaving down some bones in my. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Fell back to your Sir William Warren. Hope, no, it fix it. And, oh my god. Feel better. Shaving bones. Shaving bones. What? Shaving bones. Shaving bones. Oh my god. I can't, I don't know. Yeah, I will be sore today. The shaving bones. I never heard that before. I hit the like. Thank you for the like, Sir William Warren. Jamie Gomez. Hi, Jamie. Sweet dreams when you go to bed. Thank you, Sir William Warren. Oh, thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. Saludos desde Guadalupe, Mexico, Arizona, Mujer. Muy hermosa. Oh, thank you po. Muy hermosa. Oh my god. 87 likes. So close to 100 likes. 47 people in the house. Thank you so much. It's alright. How's my... Kumusta po? Okay naman, Brett Davis. Okay lang. Hi, thanks. Hello, how are you and the family? Thank you, thanks. I'm fine and my family also fine. Thank you so much for joining here again. Thank you. It's so... But that is grabe, grabe. I lived in Philippines for 2 years. So sick, so sick. Hi. I live in Mindanao and Luzon. Okay. Oh, you living here in the Philippines with your wife, Filipino wife? No wife. No wife. Just vacation, work, business. Hindi asawa. What? What? Vacation, just travel, tourist, business. Mm, what? Work. Hi, Mario Fabian. Hola, Hermosa. Thank you. 50 people in the house. Thank you so much. 87 likes. Work in Philippines photographer. Wow. Can you be a model? Thank you. Oh my god. 41 likes. 31 people. Thank you so much. And 87 likes. Opo, you are guapa, but not what I take pictures of. I do landscape. Okay. Oh my god. I always think of you whenever I listen to these songs. Just I promise you. I want it that way. Alexander. Oh my god. But you are beautiful. You look like a model. Wow. But thank you. I know it's a joke. Thank you to 70. Hit the likes. Sabay ka nga tol ng ano, no? May kote. Saan ka galing? Sinapupunan ng mama ko. May mother's mattress. Ay, ovarian. Ovary pala. Anong tamang sasabihin? Ano ba yan? Hirapan. Ay, hindi na nagdagdagan yung likes. Cedar, hello, how are you doing? Who is next to you? My son. He's sleeping. I found love. The what? How tattoos are any per no? No piercing. No piercing. No tattoos. No, no tattoos. No piercing. No like this. No pierce. It's it's so late. How tall are you? 5'1". 5'1". Thank you, 53 people. Thank you. Oh my god. Almost 2 hours. Nikolai. Manang matulog ka na. Paki mo ba? Hindi matulog ako matulog mo. Huwag ka dito sa... Hindi pa ako nantok. What you look like to eat? Um, Bicol food. Can you stand up? I wanna see you. Why? Quiero tu número de teléfono. Hello. I like practicing. 5. I said 5'1", my tall. My height. Thank you, Vigario. No need. Stay as you are, please. Yeah. Thank you, Golden Blade. So, estamos con hacer. No. One more. An adobo, and I like dinuguan. I like adobo. Falar, thank you for watching. Mm. I found them. Thank you, 52 likes. I 52 people. When I'm there, Filipinos, yeah, I'm butiki means handsome. No, they're lying to you. Don't believe them. That's not good. No, not handsome. They bully you, I think. That's a bad word. Not bad word, but it's like a criticize or bully. You smile also. Yeah. Why? Joke lang. Joke lang. I thought that's not a handsome. Butiki. It's not a handsome. Butiki. Handsome. My God. Aray. Butiki. Butiki. Handsome. 71 people. Oh my God. Hi, Tony. What city you live in? Um, Bicol, Philippines. Oh my God, almost. Thank you for the like. Beautiful evening. Thank you. Thank you, Tony. Tony. 74 people. Thank you so much. Oh, Bicol Express. So masarap. Thank you. My pleasure, girlfriend. My pleasure. Thank you for 72 people here. Thank you so much. Nice then. Nice then. Oh, 84 people. Oh my god, 90 likes. I swear you are really beautiful. Thank you, Trigger. The Trigger. Oh my god. Barking. The Trigger ka na ba? Trigger. Paulo. Aray. Paulo Sario Matos. Oh my god, 91 likes. My god, 91 likes. Thank you so much. Hola, Abraham Barbie Bradwan. You can flirt with the camera. Trigger. Don't trigger me. Are you Bisaya? Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. 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 Tulog na po ng iba. Tumulog ka na. Bicolana, yeah. Hola, guapa, saludos desde España. Hi. Stefan Gosens. Hello. Hi, thank you for joining. You pose like a goddess. Weh. Weh. Do you speak Biconis? What is, I can't speak. What is that, Biconis? Saan ka ba na sa Bicol? Sorsogon. 92 likes. Thank you so much. 92 likes. Local language of Bicol people. Why are you so beautiful? Oh my god. Naga City po. Ah, okay. Hello, Os Manugar Kali. Os Manugar Kali. Hi. You wanna pause with your hair? No, I'm not in the mood. Thank you, Stephen Gossams. Don't talk to me, trigger. Don't trigger me. I'm in a bad mood. Who is sitting next to you? My son. Not sitting. He's just sleeping. Who is 71, 71, 77, 93 likes. So okay lang, I have to go. Paalam, I subscribe to you. Thank you, Beth Davis. God bless her, Beth Davis. Thank you for joining. Yeah, yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Trigger, stop it. I wish you would take your hands away from your chest because. Ah, ew. Pervert, stay away on my channel. Johnny. Amiga. Two channel, amiga. Two channel. New friends. New friends. Ta-da-da, ta, ta-da-da-da-da-da. Hey Zoe, Johnny. Wanna meet you and Leslie. 95 people. Thank you so much. 72. All bar. Stomach and doubts, please. Okay. I will stand up and I will dance. You send super chat, please. First. Can you do belly dance? No. Trigger stop. New video. Stop trigger. Mm. Mhm. Mm. Where are you from? I am from Turkey. I'm from Philippines. Oh my god. 77 likes. Yeah, you know, 77. 74 people in the 95. Oh, wow. May 100s mo na yan. Yung mga tulog, bakit ganun? Dance. I'm unwell. Unwell. Hi, Jam North. FGBG. Bay. Ano ba yun? My son. Jairo. Stop it. Trigger. Stop. La 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 la. 96 people. Thank you so much. 96 likes. Thank you so much. 49. 58 people. 58 people in the house. 64. I like you. Wrong spelling is wrong. Oh my god. Oh my god, 97 likes. My gulay. Bap, bap, bap. Mm, mm. Good like I am. What? Nice. 61 people in the house. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Ipogi Vlog USA. Bawal manyak dito. Bawal manyak, bawal ang bastos. Chupi-chupi. You good woman. Why you say that? Thank you so much. 100 likes. Oh my god. Oh, 83 people here. Thank you so much. Hello. Hello. I forgot. Nasa live pala. 68 people. Thank you so much. Should I look tired? Yes. I'm tired. So what if you're single? I'm not interested. But thank you for 75 people. Good evening. Morning na. Morning na. Morning na here. Already morning here. Oo nga po pala. Hindi na makatulog. Hindi ako makatulog. Nahihirapan. Pero naantok. Pero yung mata ko, ipikit na rin yung isip mata ko. Kaya ito makatulog. God, I'm missing videos. I want to sleep. Watch them. Just check your channel. I will watch them. Just check. Okay. Thank you, Golden Blade. Thank you, 103 people. Everyone, people, thank you so much. Yeah, someone should be here to admire efforts. Why not me? Why not me? Thank you po. Father, what the question is? Well, okay, thank you. Oh my god, I fell sleeping. Hello. Oh my god, 81 people in the house. So many people in the Filipinas. Filipino yan. Hi, Angela. Where I'm fine. Para. Oh my god. You're from Philippines, yeah. Para. Eighty people, thank you so much. 65 people, thank you so much, guys. 106. Mhm. Mhm. I need to end the live because I fell sleepy now. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you see you next live. Bye bye. God bless. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.